Hello. You've presented the history of New York City's architecture in such a remarkable way. It's truly fascinating how the city's architectural styles have evolved over time. Starting in the early days of the 17th century, during Dutch rule, New York, then called New Amsterdam, featured buildings reflecting traditional Dutch architectural styles. These structures showcased simplicity and functionality. In the 18th century, British influence brought about a new wave of architecture characterized by large windows and straightforward designs, reflecting the Georgian style of the era. As the city entered the 19th century, brownstone houses gained popularity. These homes, constructed with a distinctive brown sandstone, became symbolic of the middle-class lifestyle during that period. With the dawn of the 20th century, the age of skyscrapers began. Iconic structures like the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building became emblematic of this era. These buildings were designed in the Art Deco style, which emphasized geometric shapes and ornamental detailing. Today, New York City is renowned for its modern and diverse architectural landscape. The skyline boasts soaring structures made of glass and steel, embodying contemporary design and innovation. This journey through New York's architectural history truly highlights the city's dynamic evolution. Next time you admire the skyline, you'll have a deeper appreciation for its varied styles and rich heritage.
And at the end of the video, I request you to please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.